What's up? I'm Andrew. I'm gonna do a bike check because I got new parts for Christmas. For the frame, I'm running an S&M ATF frame. Top tube is 20.5, good for spins and looks sick, I think. We're gonna start from the top and go to the back. So for grips, I've got ODI Super Softs. They're pretty soft, like the name. For bars, I'm running FBM Tallboys. They're 8.75 rise, pretty good. For my stem, I have a Stolen Convict stem. It's pretty sick. And for the headset, I have a Colt headset with a pretty tall dust cover. I think it looks really clean and stuff. For the forks, I just got Kink Foundation forks, 26 offset, awesome for nose manuals and hang fives, and you can just get locked in. For all my pegs, all three, I'm running 3 pegs for crookeds and random stuff like that. I have Demolition V3s, the ones that pretty much just came out. For both my tires, I have Rant 2.3. They're fat and awesome. And for my front rim, I have a Demolition coming, but right now I just have a Redline. I think it's just stock, but I mean, it's pretty good, spins good and stuff. For this hub guard, I just got the simple G Sport. It's okay. I have it on with shoelaces right now. For cranks, I have stock Salt Plus cranks. I want new ones. They're kind of crappy. For pedals, I have some Black Label. They're not very good, but I put them on there because my can't think what those are called. What are those called? The pens on the other ones were worn down, so I put those on. And for sprocket, I have a Salt Plus. Not very good. They bend like so easy, but I've got left-hand drive, so yeah. For chain, I have a KMC half link. Runs pretty good. Haven't broken it yet. Actually, I did when I had right-hand drive, but they look nice, so yeah. For my seat, I have a Deco. It's not too fat, not too small. It's just perfect. It looks good, and it's really good for bar spins. For seat post, I have a Stolen. Just got it off of someone's stolen bike. Yeah. I traded him like seat post or something because he didn't know what he was talking about. And for back rim, yes, I am a free coaster rider. I have a Alienation V2 free coaster. They say to like oil it like once a month. I haven't had to oil it any time. It like never locks up. It's like perfect. It's smooth and yeah. Free coast. Yeah. And yeah, that Demolition in the back. I got a hub guard. It was Odyssey, but it didn't fit. So I'm rocking this stupid thing. It's a Primo hub guard. It's red. Not liking it at all. So yeah, that's my bike, and I'm gonna go do a bar spin. See if I can land on this bank over here.